Hello, good evening. No, it's not evening, it's definitely morning, yes. Everybody, Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. Let me put my little sign up. Oops. Sign up. And today I'm going to do a brief tutorial and using one of the stamps I bought and haven't used before. Using the Wildcats. Now this comes as a bundle. You get the stamp and then you get the dies. Now the dies, they do cut out the big, the little, the leaves and everything. And also you'll find this extra piece here. Sorry, that piece there hasn't got a stamp. Neither is that piece. So that or that piece. So you know, it is always handy if you can to buy a bundle, and you also save 10% on it. So this is what I'm doing today, and as you can see, I'm going to be using a black card. Now I've done some of the work beforehand, so that I'm not spending ages showing you just when you already know what to do, if you know what I mean. Right, what I did was I stamped out 3 of those and 3 of those. That's all I wanted was that. Okay, now what I did then, I don't know how big this is. Ruler, where are you? Right, so I'm not sure how you measure a punch, to tell you the truth. Is that an inch punch, do you think? Yeah, I think that's how you measure it. Yeah, it must be, because that's how it makes. Oh, Wendy, you are silly in the morning. Yeah, so use an inch punch. I haven't got a Stampin' Up one, so I just got one that would be sitting on my shelf for ages and not really being used. So there we go. You've got 6 tigers and 6 leopards, cheetahs, whatever you want them to be. Now, I'm using these as well. This is the first time I've used these. These are slightly different because these are black dimensionals. So I'm going to put them all out there. I'm going to put one on each. I'm not going to put too many on there. I think one of each will be plenty. Oops, no, one I said, not 2. Oh, what can you do with obstreperous, what are they called, dimensionals? I don't know. Right. Ooh, so it's a funny old day today because it's also very cloudy. So we've got a cloudy hot day today instead of a hot day. Right, so I got all the dimensionals on and we take them off using my pick tool. No, more practice needed. Do you know, I say that, then I practice, then I put it away, and I've forgotten how to do it. So I think it'll be easier for me just to do it like this. Or what some do, they use that piece to dig it in, and well, they should have lifted up those 2 ends so it's easy to get out. Out, I said. Good, shoot. Now then, now I've got to decide where I want everything. So don't forget, look where the card is going to as well. Now I was going to do 3 tigers along the top and 3 whatever, leopards, panthers across the bottom, but I'm going to alternate them. So I've got 2 tigers. You've got to be careful when, because if you look at it like that, you think, what's that? So you're going to turn, oh, there we go. You're going to turn it, turn it until you see what you're supposed to see, as they say. Right, so I've got 2 tigers and a cheetah. No, a cheetah and leopard. To find out what it is actually, because I'm not too sure. And then I'm going to put the tiger in the middle. And then I'm going to do the other spotted cat. That's what we'll call it. You see everything down there? I hope you can. Right, so that's that. Then I used sentiments, they're for you always. Now I have punched one out somewhere. Oh, there we are. I've punched one out. I just wanted to give you a quick tip that you've probably seen before, but maybe you haven't. So, where have I put that? When you're punching out of here, try and leave a long tail, so you've got something to hold on to. Now what I'm doing, I'm trying to centralise that, and when you think you've got it, just close them. Don't squish it, because you'll cut them out. So just close them so that they hold it there until you're happy with. Ooh. Oops. Because of that one, you turn that one upside down because it doesn't matter which way around it goes, because it's an oval. Well, I hope it doesn't matter. I'll keep that one separate just in case. Let's have a look. That one is the upside down one. No, it doesn't really matter, does it? Oh, that's good then. So, where's that one I did just now? I've re-inked my black ink. And so I'm just working out which is the best image on there. You see here, there was the other one's gone. It was a bit patchy there and there. So, right, I've turned that upside down. There. Oh, I'll put another one on there. Now, these are good, especially when you do them like I'm doing now, black on black. Black back, I should have said. Black base, even. Because you don't, if you put a white one, you'd stand a chance of it showing through. Right, so I'm going to put that in the middle there for you always. And now I want some decoration, but I don't quite know what. Just size these up, as I say. Don't know, are they too much, do you think? It needs something, definitely, doesn't it? And these are the other ones I've got, you see. No, I'm going to stick with these ones, and I'm going to use a bit of glue. Because I don't want another dimension on the top of it, so I'm going to put glue at the bottom. This is the bottom that's going to be sticking to the card. Oops. Right, so I'm going to do it like that. So just about see the tiger. I've got a few videos to do today, so a few tutorials to do today. So keep an eye out with my Facebook account and my YouTube account, because I've got quite a few things to do. I'm going to try and do them. So let me put them over there. Now stop yapping, woman. So there we go. It's a lovely little card. Can be used for any occasion, and I hope you like it. Please leave a comment below, because that really does boost me up. And also, you can please subscribe, because you might miss something that I've done, and there's something that I do could have been good. All right then, have a great day, everybody. Bye.